Hello there, friends and family. A warm welcome to you all. Thank you so much for joining Nanabra's Kitchen today. I know that many of you have already popped and had your champagne in celebration of our success. Yours and mine, here on this platform. 100,000 subscribers as of today and counting. How did we get here? It was by your support. I know that you all have your lives, you have things to do, but then somehow you find time for Nanabra's Kitchen. You have spent quality time with me, watching these videos, sharing them, and then returning with a building and constructive comments. Friends and family, we did it. You and I both, we all did it. 100,000 subscribers. It was so tough to get 10 subscribers, out of which one was my husband, the other was my oldest son and myself. 10 subscribers was hard. Then before we knew it, we had 100 subscribers, then 1,000, then 10,000, and today 100,000 subscribers. I didn't come on YouTube even thinking I could get 100 subscribers, let alone 100,000 subscribers. That's a huge number. I want to thank you for your generosity. My love for cooking started when I was really young. It was influenced by my mom and my grandmother. At some point as a child, I lived with my grandmom, and I watched her and saw her put ingredients together and transform them into the most delicious beef stew I have ever had in celebration of Sanla. My mom is the strongest person I know. She taught me to be strong. And I brought this into this kitchen. I came here to learn, and I have learned so much from all of you. And friends, let me take the opportunity to also thank you for those great questions you asked in the community page. I am answering them in the next videos to come, so continue to stay tuned. 5 questions at a time, because you asked a lot of great questions. So I will be tackling 5 questions and answering them thoroughly per video. From the bottom of my heart, I will forever be grateful for your generosity. Make it a great day, friends and family, and don't forget to have fun, especially in that kitchen or wherever you might find yourself today and going forward.